A friend of mine always dreamed of owning a house. After years of renting close to his office, he finally bought a home 45 kilometers away. Now, his long commute has drained his productivity, forcing him to choose between a new job or a new house. Many Indians face this dilemma. While renting seems practical, buying a home feels like a milestone. It might feel like a significant investment milestone. But have you ever considered how it impacts your career? In this video, let us find out how home ownership can impact your career. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Buying a house and its impact on your career. Let's explore how buying a home in India today can impact your career. First, limited job options. In today's fast-paced world, careers are often on the move. You might have a job in Kolkata today, be transferred to Bangalore tomorrow, and relocate to Mumbai the following year. If you buy a house in Kolkata, you are tied to that location, limiting your ability to accept job promotions in different cities. Imagine landing your dream job in Mumbai but having to let it go because of your home in Kolkata. For those established in their careers and planning to stay in one city long term, buying a house makes sense. However, if you are relatively inexperienced and unsure about your long term plans, is it worth the risk? Owning a home brings stability, but it can also reduce flexibility. In a dynamic job market, being tied to one location might mean missing out on career advancements. Weigh the benefits of home ownership against the potential limitations it can impose on your career. Next, relocation troubles. Renting offers clear advantages over buying, especially when it comes to career mobility. If your job takes you to a new city, you can easily move. Home ownership, however, complicates this process. You must rent out or sell your property before relocating, adding stress to the already challenging task of moving. If you have taken a home loan, the financial burden increases. You will need to manage both the rent in your new location and your home loan EMI. While renting out your property can help, rental yields are typically only 2 to 3%, far less than home loan interest rates. This financial strain can make you hesitant to relocate, especially if your finances are already stretched with EMIs. Next, the financial burden on your career. For a young professional just starting out, the priority should be savings and investing. However, if all your savings and investments are tied up in buying a house in a city where property prices are high and job stability is uncertain, you are setting yourself up for the financial strain. Buying a house in India comes with many considerations: registration, stamp duty, brokerage cost, bank fees, etc. The ongoing maintenance and interior cost also require a steady income from a stable career. Why put so much pressure on your career when it is still in its early stage? By being mindful of these financial commitments, you can make informed decisions that support both your professional growth and financial well-being. Next, down payment and investments, a better path to financial growth. Many people see buying a house as a smart investment, but with the ever-changing real estate market, predicting appreciation or depreciation rates is difficult. Instead of sinking your down payment into a small apartment, consider other investment avenues like stocks, mutual funds, or savings. These options could provide additional income and support your career rather than tying up your money in a single asset. Diversifying investment is key to financial stability. By spreading your earnings across various steady investments, you can mitigate risks. Investing all your money in personal property risks financial instability if the real estate market falters. Diverse investments continue to generate income and adapt to your evolving needs and goals, unlike a property which may become a financial burden if circumstances change. Next, comfort zone, the emotional attachment to home ownership. In India, owning a home is more than just a financial decision, it is an emotional one. A home symbolizes security, safety, and success. It gives us a sense of belonging and pride. Having a permanent place to call home can create a comfort zone. But is this comfort always beneficial? Could the stability hold you back from pursuing job opportunities that could advance your career? When you establish roots in a home, you may become less inclined to chase the opportunities requiring relocation, potentially limiting your professional growth. Balancing emotion with practicality is crucial. Ask yourself if you are willing to sacrifice potential career advancements for the sake of stability. Recognizing this balance can help you make informed decisions about home ownership and career growth. Next, psychological impact, the other side of home ownership. There is also a downside to owning a home. What if your career stalls and you need to move for better opportunities? Leaving behind a house you have invested so much in can have adverse psychological effects. Uprooting yourself from a place where you are deeply connected with can be distressing, creating an inner conflict that negatively impacts your career. Considering these factors can help you make informed decisions decisions about buying a house and how it affects your career. Here is our final thoughts. Buying a house is a life-changing decision and it is crucial to understand all the consequences fully. Do not rush into it like my friend did. Take the time to consider your future goals and your vision for a financially secure life before jumping at the first beautiful house you see. A home is where we eventually settle at the end of the day, but it also affects our mindset regarding a productive and efficient career. Remember, the stability of a makan is only meaningful when complemented by roti and kapada. To achieve this balance, you need to maintain a career that is always on the rise. Owning a home can bring comfort and stability, but it is essential to weigh these benefits against potential career limitations and psychological impacts. By considering all these aspects, you can make a well-rounded decision that supports both your personal and professional growth. A detailed blog post on this topic is available on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.